Welcome to Lockdown Lunches. Today's recipe is for shepherd's pie for your Kandu cooks. Okay, you will need some soya dried vegetable protein, some stock, some mixed herbs, some potatoes, an onion, a tin of lentils, a couple of carrots, some celery. This will feed about 4 people. Peel your potatoes, chop them up, put them in a pan, add a bit of salt, bring them to boil, leave them to cook. Chop up all your other veg. Mind what you do with that knife. Heat up some oil in a pan. Chuck all the vegetables in, stir them around till they've got a nice coating of oil, and leave them to fry on a reasonable heat for about 5 minutes till they go clear. Add your lentils. Add a good splash of stock, your soya, mince, your mixed herbs, 2 cups of water, and give it a good stir and leave it to simmer probably about 15 minutes, and then transfer it into a heat-proof dish. Check that your potatoes have cooked in the meantime, and then mash them with a bit of marge, a little bit of oat milk, or ordinary milk if you want it, and mash nice and slow. It's very satisfying on a day when you've not much else to do. Pop it all on top of the shepherd's pie mix. Spread it around with a fork. Get a nice rough surface, you get crispy bits. Pop it in the oven for about 20 minutes. And then take it out when it looks all brown and crispy. And enjoy!